Dental crowns are an everyday procedure for dental patients that most require at least once throughout their lives. Dental crowns are an elongated tooth that's put over damaged teeth to repair its form and size, as well as strength and overall appearance. There are a variety of dental crowns that are available, and each one has its distinct advantages and disadvantages. In this short video, we'll discuss various types of dental crowns and the instances when each one is suggested. 1. Porcelain crowns. Porcelain crowns are among the most well-known kinds of crowns for dental use. They're made from a tooth-colored ceramic material which closely mimics natural teeth, which makes the perfect option for the front teeth. They are also resistant to staining, which makes an ideal choice for those who are worried about the appearance of their smile. But they can be more susceptible to cracking or chipping as opposed to other kinds of crowns. Therefore, they might not be the ideal choice for those who grind their teeth or use clenching techniques. 2. Metal crowns. Metal crowns are a different kind that is used in dental restoration. They're made from an alloy of metal that is durable like silver or gold, which is extremely durable and durable to wear. Metal crowns can be a great alternative for teeth with backs in situations where durability and strength are more important than aesthetics. But they do not have a tooth-colored hue, which means they're not as visually appealing like porcelain crowns. Certain patients might also be allergic to specific metals. It is essential to talk about any allergies to metals with your dentist prior to getting an alloy crown. 3. Porcelain fused to metal crowns. Porcelain fused to metal crowns are a combination of porcelain and metal. Metal is utilized as a base for the strength and durability needed, while an additional layer of porcelain is placed on top to give an appearance that is more natural. They are a common option for those who prefer the durability of a steel crown, but with the look of porcelain crowns. However, porcelain fused to metal crowns can be more prone to chipping or cracking than solid porcelain crowns, so they may not be the best choice for patients who are hard on their teeth. 4. All ceramic crowns. The crowns made of all ceramic are constructed entirely from ceramic material, which gives their appearance a natural one which closely resembles the real tooth. They are an excellent option for those who are worried about the appearance of their smile and would prefer crowns that fit perfectly with their teeth. Crowns made of all ceramic are an excellent option for those who suffer from allergies to metals, since they don't contain metallic materials. But they aren't as durable like metal crowns, and they might not be the ideal choice for patients with dental implants or patients who grind their teeth or use clenching devices. 5. Zirconia crowns. Zirconia crowns are one type of all-ceramic crown constructed from the sturdy, robust zirconia. They are highly resistant to cracks and chips, which makes them an excellent choice for those who require an extremely durable crown that will endure all the wear and tear that comes with everyday usage. Zirconia crowns also are biocompatible, which means they're less likely to trigger allergic reactions among patients. But they are more opaque than the other kinds of crowns. Therefore, they might not be the ideal choice for those seeking a crown that's as transparent as natural teeth. There are many different kinds of dental crowns that are available, and each has its distinct benefits and drawbacks. Crowns made of porcelain are a preferred option due to their natural look and stain-resistant properties, and metal crowns are renowned for their durability and strength. Porcelain fused to metal crowns offer a balance of strength and aesthetics, while all ceramic crowns provide a natural look for patients concerned about the appearance of their smile. Zirconia crowns can be a great alternative for those who need an extremely durable, long-lasting, and sturdy crown that's less likely to trigger allergic reactions. The dentist at your dental office can assist you to determine which kind of crown will best suit the specific requirements and objectives of your